Okie dokie, so I'm going to start with this tutorial by doing my brows. This is going to be a complete drugstore look again, which I've been doing often on my channel. I tend to do more affordable looks because that's what I can afford. Yes, I'm just going to do my brows and then get back. You guys have seen me do my brows so many times and I was really monotonous to be doing my brows every single time on camera. So I'm going to do it off camera and then get back to you. Okie dokie, so the brows are done. Next I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I'm taking Toffee from LA Girl Pro Conceal, and I'm going to use this as a base for my eyeshadows. So you know how I always use Shades by Gal? I'm trying Toffee. I wish there was something, wish I had, I'm sure that they have lighter ones, but I don't have any. So I wish I had lighter ones. Then I'm going to blend this out with my brush that I used to blend out my brows. Alright, so next I'm going to be going to be using this quad, and it's the City Color quad, and it's an intense blush quad. I've said quad so many times, and I'm going to just be going with whatever colors I want to.
Captivity. No, I don't think that's liberty. So I need freedom, spiritually. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. Can't bother.
Alright, so I'm taking my LA Colors makeup contour palette.
The war on the crime. Can't bother, you bad mind me for mine. Can't bother every time when me try to step up in on the line, you pull me down as me climb. Can't bother with the seats and the lies. Me want a friend want me meet me demise. Can't bother when the gun them arise and people are dead. Me can't sleep in my bed. Can't bother for you run from police. Can't bother with the war and no peace. Can't bother call me live out of east. Me can't go away from the wood and be a disease. Can't bother for you leave me
The Silk Simi by L'Oreal, I believe, and it's just in black. Then I'm going to be putting this in my crease as well. You know how I do.
Like me freedom the way behind bars. Me try to move forward, but it's like say me stuck in a traffic or me way behind cars.
Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free, yeah. Free I need, free I need, free I need to be free. They say that we are free, but I'm still searching for my freedom. It's not working. Although you see me smiling, I'm still hurting, yeah. Free I need, free I need to be free. I need to be free. I need to be free.
So I'm going to be putting on mascara. This is Mary Kay.
Can't bother for living a poverty. Can't bother me not even have a key. Not even for a piece of jalapeno or a little loan pan a piece of property. Can't bother when I meet the copper pray. Like say them want beat me with my country. Can't bother cause there's not a day we pass. I me no feel like say me like a way.
Alright, so I did not contour my face, meaning I didn't put the dark up, I didn't low light, I only highlighted and I look fully contoured, boo. So I'm going to be going in with, this is Motives, this is not drugstore. Alright, we're going in with good old 650 Nude Embrace from Maybelline. Oh, look at me sweating already. It's because I'm not wearing a primer, you know. I just went and brushed my teeth. Not wearing a primer. So then I'm going to be taking, that's not drugstore. I need something drugstore. Alright, this is not drugstore, but I can't find my lip liner. But if you want, you can use a drugstore color, I guess. This is just Bitten by Makeup Geek. And I'm going to use this as my liner. Yeah, this is the look. Very nice and glowy. Loving this look so much. It's really nice. Love it, love it, love it. Completely drugstore except for the eyeshadow. No lashes, eyeshadow. And yeah, that's basically it. I have to run now because I have church. And yeah, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.